Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the sheets on your Google Sheets mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. This video, I just going to show how to delete the sheets on your Google Sheet mobile. So first of all, I just going to open a document here and opening a new document. So I just added more sheets here up to 10 or 11. So I just want to delete the sheet. I just want to delete the fifth sheet. You just want to click on the sheet and you will see a option while clicking on this drop menu, and here you will see the delete option. On the second option, just click this, and are you sure want to delete this sheet? Let's click on the OK. And if you just click this, and I just want to delete this sheet too. So if you undo this option, you will see the sheets has been appeared again. So don't worry, if you wrongly deleted the sheet or mistakenly deleted sheet, don't worry, you can just undo the option. And this is how you just delete the sheet. You just want to click on the sheet, click on this menu and click on delete option and click OK. So this is how you just delete the sheets on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.